Hello friends of FORZA Laser, welcome to a new video. My name is Cristian Carvajal and today we will be manufacturing products with galvanized steel using our 1500 watt FORZA Raptor. Join me. We typically associate fiber laser machines with very heavy products. However, today we are going to review products that we can find on a daily basis. Products that we can find in an office environment. We are going to manufacture 3 products punctually: a laptop stand, a headphone stand, and a paper organizer. The idea is precisely to take advantage of recycled material that we have used in other productions. For this project, we will utilize galvanized steel with thicknesses of 0.9 mm, 1 mm, and 2 mm. To facilitate the designs, we will utilize a tool we have available for you called FORZA Vectors, which is where all the designs we will be reviewing are located. Today we are going to work with our 1500 watt FORZA Raptor, and we will use high pressure nitrogen as the shielding gas. We already have the design loaded in this computer, which is created in a design software to check any geometry before starting to work with the machine. We possess the design for our laptop stand, paper tray, and headphone holder for individuals who are interested in manufacturing them. We already have these designs loaded on our FORZA Laser Vectors platform. The idea behind this is that each and every one of you can also manufacture them, right? Feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions or need further information. Let's commence with the paper tray. It is designed in a manner that necessitates manual folding. We do not require any type of folder or additional machine to obtain the product. So once we have verified our design and chosen the appropriate material, we will initiate the manufacturing process and start working on bringing the product to life. Our intention is to proceed with the cutting of the paper tray. Prior to doing so, we carefully examine the work area to ensure that we achieve a cut that is completely perfect in every way. It is truly remarkable to witness the power of design and laser technology in action, as they enable us to create a product that is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also fully functional and ready to be utilized. The level of precision and accuracy that can be achieved through this process is nothing short of amazing. By harnessing the capabilities of laser technology, we are able to transform raw materials into a finished product with remarkable efficiency and speed. It is a testament to the advancements that have been made in manufacturing processes, and it highlights the potential for innovation in the field of design and technology. Are we going to fold it with our hands, right? This is a modular design. The idea is that you can stack one on top of the other and it's literally ready to be used. And just like that, we have our paper tray. Now let's go over the requirements for creating a laptop stand using galvanized steel. Please join me as we discuss what we need. We start with the design. Just like in the previous model, we need to review the folds and each of the steps that we have. We are grateful for the convenience of having this design preloaded on our FORZA Laser Vectors platform, which saves us time and effort in the production process. If the person who wants to make it has approximate measurements of the base material, they should also know the size of material needed. We suggest producing this with a thickness that ranges from 1 to 2 millimeters. One thing I want to point out here is that with laser technology, we have the opportunity to work in layers. In this particular case, the yellow part will be used for cutting, while this pink line will serve as an engraving reference to indicate where I should make the folds in the material. Here we already have our parameters, we have that preloaded, so it is always important to verify that. Depending on the material thickness, I have to load a new parameter into the system. That would be the entirety of it. So let's proceed with the manufacturing process. We will thoroughly examine the working area of the material and then commence the production. As you can see, those are the reference lines that are being engraved in order to provide a guide on where the fold should be made and ensure accuracy in the folding process. Let's take away our cut. I want you to see the quality if it's a completely clean cut without burrs. And here we have the engraving lines. If these lines are going to be the guide precisely to make the appropriate folds according to our initial design. We have successfully finished the cutting process for our laptop stand, and now it is time to proceed with reviewing the headphone stand as well. It is of utmost importance to mention that not all products have the necessary slots for bending that can be done manually by hand. When it comes to these products, we are going to leverage another tool that we will see later on. If in this design we are using a slightly thicker thickness, if we are going to work with galvanized steel of 2 mm thickness. I desire for you to observe the ultimate form that the product will possess, and as a consequence, I wish to reiterate once more that all the recommendations will be available on our FORZALaser.com platform in order for you to be able to download it. Now in the FORZA Play software, we have the piece extruded, we have the entire piece ready to cut, we have the guides, yes, the guides to make the folds, which are this pink part, and we have our material loaded. So, let's get to it. We check the workspace we are going to start and begin working on it, utilizing all the features and tools available in the software. With everything set up, we can now proceed with precision and efficiency, ensuring a successful outcome for our project. We have our headphone stand prepared. In case I desire them to witness the excellence of the cut, it is truly astonishing. Similarly, we possess the lines, the guides to facilitate the bending process. Next, we will proceed to bend this and the laptop stand using a clamp. It is not necessary to possess an industrial machine or any specialized equipment to create the folds. So I invite you to join me and witness the final steps in completing these products. Friends, we already have our products prepared. I want you to observe the quality, the finish, and I believe the most crucial aspect is that with only one machine, I am able to obtain a finalized product, correct? Please bear in mind that we manually bent this one, but for the other two, we had to employ a small vise to leverage. Notwithstanding, these products are highly robust, and working with metal is currently boosting my profitability when working with these specific items. So it is important to mention that there is no need for any sanding. In the event that I wanted to, I could paint them maybe. Nevertheless, due to the galvanizing, we already have a product ready to be used. Remember that you can manufacture these products and many others, not only with your FORZA Raptor, but also with your FORZA 1 and your FORZA Escanor. We invite you to check out our Vectors platform, vectorsforzalaser.com, to unleash your creativity. I know you probably have many more ideas that you can materialize by having your metal, fiber, laser cutting machine, FORZA. I invite you to follow us on our social media, don't miss any of our videos, and we'll see you very soon. Bye!